So okay, in this video we will be seeing about the cross-site scripting. So it is similar to the HTML injection, but instead of HTML we will be injecting the JavaScript. So this is the lab. So copy the URL and go to this site, and here you can see this site has some search functionality. Let's search here. So now instead of here, what you need to type is let's say some h1 tag. So that is the header one. Let's say testing, and hit enter. And here you can see 0 such results for this testing. So the testing has not been changed to some h1 tag. It did not change into some big text. So that means the HTML has been correctly processing. So now what we are going to do is let's search for any JavaScript execution script, and one simple way to test the JavaScript is using the alert function. So JavaScript have some functions you can use like alert. So let's say alert of 1. So this will give you a pop-up on the website saying number 1. And you can see the pop-up says 1, and here you can see the actual URL, the JavaScript is being executed. So sometimes in our case this URL and this URL is same. Sometimes this search bar can be like an iframe, it can be on the another web server. So in that case what we are going to do is just remove this alert. So sorry, remove the one and say window.origin. So if you hit enter, and here it says the actual URL says the origin of this response. So both are same, so that means our JavaScript is being executed on the same server as of this website. So click on OK. Now you can also do some like getting the cookies. So document.cookie. So you can also go and use this edit cookie. We have the session value, and if you can also pop up the alert. Click on search, and you can see here we did not get cookie value. If you have some we should get the cookie, but I don't know why we did not get this cookie. If you have some like normal cookies like some not session cookies but some other cookies, if you have, then it will be probably show up in the pop-up. So sometimes alert can be blocked by the website or the WAF, web application firewall, to make sure you don't get any pop-up. So in that case what we can do is we can use the print function. So this print is like a printing this whole website page to the printer, or you can also save that as PDF. So click on search, and here you can see here this is the print pop-up. So you can get save to file or print. So this functionality mostly will not block by the WAF, so that's why we can use this print to test our XSS payload. So this is reflected XSS. So what we're going to do is we are going to remove this one, and let's search here. And if you search here, you did not get the alert, you did not get anything, because our XSS payloads are just getting executed and they are not storing anywhere. So this is the reflected XSS. In stored XSS, what this is going to be do is the web server stores this user input in the database. So whenever each time any user visits this page, the content at the database gets will be get by the web server and executes that one. So instead of normal plain text, it will be rendered as JavaScript. So the stored XSS is much more risky than reflected XSS. Even the reflected XSS is also risky. You can also craft some phishing links using this reflected XSS. So that's all about this reflected XSS for now.